All right. This is the actual elevator that literally goes to the Airtrain at San Francisco International Airport in San Francisco, California. Either that or Burlingame or something like that. Anyways, I think this is the elevator Andrew filmed, I believe 12 years ago. Oh yeah, look how long it takes to level. I think this is the one Andrew filmed a while back that has the slow leveling. But they might have fixed it, I'm not sure. Anyways, we're gonna watch it close. It takes a while to close up. And there it goes, and that's it.